We'll guide you through how to remove light effect in Photoshop. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because light effects often ruin otherwise good photos, especially portraits or product images. Harsh lighting can wash out details, create uneven tones, and make editing harder. Many users want a quick way to fix these issues in Photoshop, so their images look cleaner, more balanced, and professional without needing advanced skills. Start by opening Photoshop on your computer. Click on Create New to begin a fresh project. Give your project any name you like, because apparently naming things makes it feel more official. Next, set up your canvas size. For this example, use 1080 by 1920 pixels so it fits a vertical format. After confirming that everything looks correct, click OK to create the canvas. Now go to the top menu, click File, then select Open, and choose the photo you want to remove the light effect from. Once the image opens, drag it into your canvas so it becomes part of your working project. After placing the image, duplicate the background layer to keep an original copy safe. Then navigate to Image, go to Adjustments, and choose Desaturate to remove color and simplify the editing process. Next, click on the adjustment layer icon at the bottom of the Layers panel and select Levels. Adjust the highlights, midtones, and shadows carefully until the light effect becomes easier to isolate. Once that is done, grab the brush tool and manually mark the areas affected by the unwanted light effect. Now switch to the Channels panel and select RGB to view the full channel information. After checking that, return to the Layers panel. Select the 3 layers you worked on and delete them, since you only needed them temporarily. Then click on the adjustment layer icon again and choose Solid Color. Pick a color that matches the brightest skin tone in the image, because blending works better that way. Slightly increase the brightness and confirm by clicking OK. Change the blending mode of this layer to Multiply so it naturally darkens the highlighted areas. If the result still looks rough, go to the Window menu and open Properties. Adjust the feather setting until the edges blend smoothly with the image. Finally, press Ctrl+S to save a project, or go to File, choose Export, and select Export as PNG.